Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto UK. In recent years, the world of recreational vehicles has seen significant innovation, and now, in 2026, we are witnessing something truly revolutionary. Enter the RV Camper Tricycle, a hybrid concept that merges the freedom of a motorcycle, the comfort of a camper, and the practicality of a trike. Today, we're diving deep into everything that makes this one of the most exciting new forms of travel mobility in the UK and across Europe. The 2026 RV Camper Tricycle is not your average recreational vehicle. At first glance, it looks like a large, futuristic trike with a built-in micro-camper. But upon closer inspection, it's clear that this vehicle has been carefully engineered to meet the evolving needs of solo travelers, digital nomads, eco-conscious explorers, and even urban commuters seeking something radically different. Let's start with the core design. The RV Tricycle uses a reverse trike configuration. That means two wheels in the front and one at the back, enhancing stability and control, especially during tight turns or wet conditions. Built on a lightweight but robust aluminum alloy frame, the vehicle strikes an excellent balance between strength and efficiency. This frame supports a compact camper pod on the rear chassis, seamlessly integrated for both aerodynamics and function. The design reflects a shift towards minimalism in mobility. It's a one-person unit, or two at a push, designed for efficiency rather than extravagance. It's about smart use of space, thoughtful engineering, and the spirit of adventure. Powering the 2026 RV Camper Tricycle is a next-generation electric drivetrain. The primary motor is a 35 kilowatts electric hub motor integrated into the rear wheel. This provides smooth, whisper-quiet propulsion while maintaining enough torque to climb steep inclines or handle rough terrain with ease. Its battery is a modular 18 kWh lithium-sodium pack, offering a real-world range of about 220 to 250 km per full charge, depending on terrain and payload. Charging can be done via standard Type 2 EV plugs, or via the foldable solar panel system that slides out from the roof of the camper unit. Inside the camper pod, space has been maximized to an impressive degree. Step inside, and you're greeted by a sleek micro-living environment. The pod includes a reclining single bed that converts into a compact bench seat, a slide-out kitchenette with a single-burner induction hob, a mini fridge, and a stainless steel sink with a filtered water tank underneath. There's also a retractable desk for working on the go, complete with USB-C ports and a fold-down monitor mount, ideal for digital nomads. Storage is cleverly hidden throughout, under the bench seat, behind the side panels, and even within the ceiling recess. Every element is designed for function and durability. The materials used are eco-friendly, recycled PET panels for insulation, bamboo for flooring, and lightweight hemp fabric for soft furnishings. It feels sustainable but modern, stylish, but not overdone. One of the most striking features is the integrated AI assistant. This system handles everything from route planning and battery management to suggesting campsites and alerting you to maintenance needs. You can say, "Find me a charging station near Lake District," and the trike will pull up the best options, factoring in your remaining charge, weather, and elevation. There's even voice-activated lighting and climate control, which uses a compact heat pump to keep things warm or cool depending on where you park up. For urban dwellers and weekend adventurers, the RV Tricycle offers an incredible alternative to traditional campers or vans. It's much easier to park, can fit in regular motorcycle bays, and is congestion charge exempt in many UK cities due to its zero-emission status. That's a huge win for those navigating the increasingly complex landscape of urban mobility and clean air zones. Let's talk ride quality. Thanks to its low center of gravity, wide wheelbase, and active suspension system, the trike handles surprisingly well. It's not built for high speed, but rather for steady, comfortable cruising. Top speed is electronically limited to 100 km per hour, plenty for B roads and national routes. The active suspension automatically adjusts depending on load and terrain, so whether you're weaving through country lanes or navigating a cobbled village road, the ride remains stable and comfortable. Now, safety. The RV Camper Tricycle comes equipped with forward collision detection, blind spot alerts, lane keep assist, and a 360-degree camera system with night vision. These features are projected on the heads-up display inside the rider's visor or helmet. Yes, that's another new feature. The trike integrates with smart helmets that offer real-time information, turn-by-turn navigation, and even rear camera feeds projected into your periphery. For those wondering about weather protection, a key concern in the UK, the trike includes a full weather canopy system. When parked, the side wings of the camper extend outward with a pop-up awning, creating an extra 1.5 meters of shelter. There are also waterproof zip-out panels for privacy and rain shielding. If you want to sleep under the stars, the Trike has a stargazer roof panel, complete with auto-dimming and heat-reflective technology. In terms of real-world usage, the RV Tricycle is well suited for a wide range of scenarios. Solo weekend getaways, remote working retreats, minimalist full-time van life, or even as an emergency micro-housing solution. The affordability compared to traditional campers is significant. Starting at just under £19,000, the 2026 RV Tricycle is a fraction of the cost of even the smallest camper vans, and with running costs minimal, it's an appealing long-term investment. For those looking to customize, there's a range of upgrade options. Dual battery pack for extended range, roof-mounted Starlink satellite connectivity, extra suspension height for off-roading, and even a trailer attachment if you need more storage for bikes, gear, or pets. One popular add-on is the Adventure Kit, which includes a folding e-bike, a portable drone for filming your travels, and a modular tent system that attaches to the rear of the vehicle. Let's hear from early adopters. Jane, a 34-year-old writer from Manchester, shared how the RV Tricycle allowed her to quit her flat, tour the Scottish Highlands, and work remotely from stunning, wild locations. "It's the perfect mix of freedom and function," she says. "I'm not stuck in traffic, I don't need to book hotels, and I can live sustainably." Then there's Alex, a retired electrician from Cornwall, who uses his Trike for fishing trips and festivals. "It's easy to drive, easy to park, and I never feel like I'm dragging a giant caravan. It just works." Despite all its advantages, the RV Tricycle isn't for everyone. Families, large pets, or travelers needing high-speed travel across long distances might find the space and performance limiting. But for those who value autonomy, efficiency, and minimalism, it's a paradigm shift. Another consideration is charging infrastructure. While the UK's network is expanding, rural areas can still be hit or miss. Fortunately, the RV Tricycle's solar charging can generate around 20-30 kilometers of range per day in moderate sunlight, not enough for long hauls, but ideal for topping up when stationary for a day or two. Servicing and maintenance are refreshingly simple. The electric drivetrain requires little upkeep beyond brake pads and tire wear. Software updates are handled over the air, and diagnostics can be run via your mobile app. The modularity of the design also means components are easy to swap or upgrade. Environmentally, this vehicle shines. Its total lifecycle emissions are under 20% of a traditional diesel camper. Manufacturing offsets are increasingly common, and the low-impact materials reduce ecological footprint. Plus, noise pollution is virtually non-existent, a bonus for both users and the areas they visit. Driving the RV Tricycle is an experience in itself. It's not just about reaching a destination, it's about enjoying the journey. The electric hum, the panoramic views, the constant awareness of your surroundings, it brings a sense of connection that you just don't get behind the wheel of a van or car. As we look at the broader picture, it's clear this isn't just a quirky niche product. It's part of a larger movement toward micro-mobility and sustainable travel. With cities becoming more restrictive, and rural escapes more popular, the RV Tricycle fills a growing demand for portable, independent, low-impact living. Many manufacturers are starting to take notice. What was once a fringe concept now has mainstream appeal. Major players in the EV world are rumored to be working on their own camper trike prototypes, and small startups across Europe are rapidly innovating in the space. So, what's next for the RV Tricycle market? Expect better batteries, more modular interiors, and deeper integration with smart city infrastructure. As energy grids become smarter and more responsive, your Trike could one day plug into a campsite and earn money by feeding power back into the grid. To wrap it up, the 2026 RV Camper Tricycle isn't just a new type of vehicle. It represents a shift in how we think about travel, independence, and sustainability. It challenges the notion that bigger is better and proves that with clever design and a bit of bold thinking, you can do more with less. Whether you're a seasoned road tripper, a weekend explorer, or someone just looking for a simpler way to live and move, this might just be the vehicle you didn't know you were waiting for. The future of travel is lighter, smarter, and more accessible, and it's rolling in on 3 wheels.